So this concept is to teach you about the collapse, valgus collapse of the knees, meaning that they're always together. So that occurs mostly when your feet are on the ground and your knees move above your feet. So the most common times that happens is when you get up and down from a chair. If you notice your knees come together coming up, or they come together sitting down, that's very poor alignment and can cause a lot of knee pressure and even foot pressure. So the concept is, if you look at your kneecap, you want it to be centered down to your toe. So you basically never want your knees to come together. You're gonna always make sure they're in line. So when you stand up from a chair, they stay in line. Sit down, they stay in line. Another time that this would happen is a similar motion. It's during a squat. If you're doing squats at the gym or doing squats in general, and a leg is falling towards the midline, that can wreck your hip, your back, your knee, your ankle. So you want to make sure, again, this alignment is maintained and perform your squats that way. And lastly, this also happens when you're going up and down a step. You may never pay attention, but you may be going up like this, stepping down like this, and again, your knees dropping towards the midline. So even if you don't have a mirror, at least look down. I'm making sure it stayed in line with my toe, and I'm making sure it stayed in line with my toe when I'm doing my steps. So this is how to keep better alignment of your knees when you're moving your knees above your feet when they're planted on the ground.